Hello everyone, my name is Zulfiqar Ali. I am from Prasad Institute of Technology, Jaunpur. So as per our course curriculum, we need to do a 45 days of summer training, and for which I joined Techpile Technology Private Limited. So after coming here, I feel that there is no better place to up your skills than joining Techpile. And if I talk about the course curriculum and the structure of the summer training, in the first 2-3 weeks, you will learn about the basics of the programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and then you will move on to the technology section where you will choose your technology according to your according to you. You want to choose Python, Java, and anything which you want. So one thing which I would like to say is I don't know C of a code. I don't know anything about the coding and designing. But after joining the Techpile, I feel that it is very easy to learn the coding and designing. Because before joining Techpile, I feel that it is very hard to it is very hard to learn coding and up your skills, and I always in attention that how could I improve my skills in that field, because as a CS student you need to know about the codings, about the designings, and about the system and computers. So after joining this, I feel Techpile improved my skills. Techpile try to give their 100%, each and every person of Techpile, whether it's a volunteer, whether it's a Rahul sir, Divya ma'am, Nikhil sir, everyone grab this opportunity to teach you and give you as their best as they can. So I request you all to please join, and here you will learn everything with ease. Thank you.